Hi students, welcome to this video. I have a quick question for you. Have you ever thought about how some words change when we edit sometime at the beginning or the end? Or even when we combine the two words to form a new one or use a word in a different way? Today, we are going to talk about the types of word formations. Let's get started. Prefix. A prefix is a small group of letters that tag with add to beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, if we take the word happy and add the prefix un, it becomes unhappy, which means the opposite, not happy. Let me show some examples. Prefix pre, which means before, antes. The word preview meaning this to see before. Prefix this, which means not or opposite. The word dislike, the meaning do not lie. The prefix re, which means again. Word redo, to do again. Good. Let's quickly complete this activity. Aliens are real. We use one to form the opposite of real and express that aliens do not exist. Sometimes we disagree with the other people's ideas. This means no or opposite of to disagree means to do not agree. We will rebuild our house. Re means again. So will means to sometime again.
Good evening, Miss Solange. I'm Diego Valencia. Okay, and the other hand, next part of the lesson, we have the suffixes. These are morphemes that is small units of sounds that are added after a word. Just like prefixes, they can change the meaning of words. For example, as an example of this, we have the suffix "ness," which is used to transform an adjective into an abstract noun. For example, here we have happy. Happy is adjective, but if we add the suffix "ness," we have happiness. Happiness is a noun. Another example, have the word sad. Sad is tristeza in Spanish, but if we add the suffix "ness," uh, we have the word sadness. Sadness is a noun. Okay. Uh, Another type of suffix that we can find is the suffix with termination "er." This prefix is used to transform a verb into a noun. Example, we have the verb teach, to teach, which we add the ending "er," and we have the noun teacher. Teacher is a noun. Uh, Other verb to room, which if we add the ending "er" and multiply the last consonant as the grammatical rule dictates, we will have the noun runner. Runner. Runner is someone that room. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am going to talk to you about conversion. What is conversion? Conversion in morphology is a kind of word formation which involves creating a new word class that comes from existing words. Without any change in forms, this process can be called zero derivation due to the fact that this type of conversion changes the meaning of the existing word without changing the pronunciation, spelling, or suffix on the words. Example for conversion can be seen when nouns are changed into verbs or adverbs, but the spelling and pronunciation of the word stay exactly the same, and nothing is adding or taken away. Here we had example with the water. With the water, as known is the water we drink. With birds, as bird implies the water that is put on the plants. Yeah, we had two examples with home. Home, noun. Noun is referred to build where people live. As verb, to house, to provide shelter or accommodation for someone or something. Here we had other example with fast. No? Fast. This as verb. This verb, the fast for a day. Eat me into abstains from eating. In this case, he's a fast running used to describe a speed. This is conversion, student. Thank you, guys.
The next topic is compound word. But first of all, what is a compound word? A compound word is made up of two words joined together to form a new word. For example, fire and fly. If we mix these words, we create a compound word, and this compound word is firefly. Another example of this word is book plus shelf. If we mix them, we get the compound word bookshelf. So we can find compound words looking at two words stuck together in one. Sometimes there is a space between the words, like ice cream. As you can see, here is the space, but sometimes there is not any space, like in the word baseball, as you can see. Now you understand that part. We can continue, and I would like you to play a little game. I'll give you a compound word, and you try to name the two words that make it up. Are you ready? The word is butterfly, and the answer is yes, the mixing of butter plus fly again. Compound words are fun to learn and can help us to understand new words, but be careful and remember, when you see a word that looks like two words stuck together, it might be a compound word.
Welcome guys to your quiz time. In this section, you will find exercise where you will put into practice what you have learned today. Okay, we're gonna start with the prefix. Okay, in instructions we have that you will choose the correct prefix to complete the word. We have the word happy. Okay, what is the correct prefix to complete this word? The letter A, B, C, D. Correct. The letter B, on. The prefix on complete the word unhappy. Now we're gonna work with the suffix. You will go choose the correct suffix to complete the word. We have the word hope. What do you think is the correct? A, B, C, or D? Correct. The letter A. The suffix full. And we complete the word hopeful. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna work with the conversion. In instructions we have that you will choose the correct conversions of the given word. We have the word room. You're gonna convert the verb room to a noun. What do you think is the correct and what do you think is the noun? The letter A, B, C, or D? Good job. Yes, it's the letter A, roomer. Finally, we're gonna work with the compound words. And the instruction says that you will choose the correct compound word that results from combining the two words. We have the word food and the word ball. What do you think is the correct compound word? The letter A, B, C, or D? Good job, guys. The letter B. And when you compound the word food and ball, we have the results, the word football. Thanks for work with me in this quiz time.